Welcome to this tutorial video. In the last course, we have drawn the basic framework of the floor plan. Next, we will guide you step by step on how to quickly decorate the interior. Inspiration Library can provide you with design inspiration. Let's try it together. Step 1. Choose an inspiration space. Select Inspiration Library in the left column. Then expand to filter your favorite inspiration space style and type. If you have no inspiration, you can filter Recommend, Latest or Hottest Inspiration Spaces. Step 2. Pick Models and Interior Finish. There are two ways to pick models. You can click on the models in the inspiration space above to drag them out, or choose models from the model list below to drag them out. After selecting the model, you can also directly click on the interior finish you like to apply it to your project. Step 3. Quickly apply to the room. If you want to apply interior decoration to the whole room more quickly, you can click on Pick Them All, one-click application of finished and models displayed in the room, or click on Smart Assistant and select a room to apply. In 3D mode, you can see that the inspiration space has been applied to the room design. Step Final. Apply to other rooms. Click on the related rooms and select the type of space you want to decorate. Each room can follow the above operation to quickly decorate the interior. With the help of Inspiration Library, the whole house decoration has a basic style framework. In the next video, we will continue to learn how to find and place models. See you soon. That's all. Thanks for watching.